Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a breakout on crude oil. Now, we just caught a huge amount of buying pressure coming in on crude oil before the open hits, and this push higher is essentially what we saw in gold a little while ago, a few days ago, that we're just not breaking below those lows here. And now that we've sort of teetered up at the tops here, we've created a double bottom. Now, these double bottoms are important, especially after a big rise higher, because what I want to look for is a break below that double bottom. So I've got my order placed here at 102.21 just so it's out there. Just waiting for a couple more seconds here, and then I can place my order at 102, currently 102.72 to get short. Now we've got a few seconds here, just want to make sure. Okay, so we can place the order. The order is set at 102.72. I'm looking to go short. First target at 5 ticks, second target at 10 ticks, and the final target at the overall 20 ticks. Now again, the reason we're looking for the downside here is, first of all, we've had this absolutely massive rise higher. And this massive rise higher has been met with literally no pullbacks. Yeah, there's been a couple down candles, but we haven't broken below the lows of the previous candles. Now, when you get this type of price action coming into the open, a lot of the times the open will be met with the opposing direction. In this case, profit taking, because the traders see that this price is triggered in where they wanted to get in, as an example. On this long move higher, they've missed this entire move. Now, if they were long from yesterday or the day before, they're going to want to start taking profits at these overall highs. Now, you'll usually see a drop down from, as soon as the open hits, you usually see a drop down from there, maybe the full move, half of the move, and then you'll start reversing and go back to new highs again. Again, that's just because all of the big traders or the pit traders didn't have a chance to get in this move. Well, I don't know about you, but that would make me kind of upset. If I can only trade at the pit open and throughout the rest of the day until 2:30 p.m. Eastern, I'm not going to be okay with missing out on this whole move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all my buddies together and sell everything I can to drop the price lower to get a better price to catch that move right back to the highs again. So now what we're seeing here is we've got this push lower. We've had the first target filled at +5, second target filled at +10. Now we're just waiting for the overall target down here at 102.53. 102.53 to get filled. So overall, we've locked in $200 on this move. Just waiting for the final push lower to get that final 20 ticks there to lock in $400. Now again, this move may go lower. We might see this price come down to half of this move up, recover the whole move down. Usually don't see the whole move down a whole lot, but what you'll start to see here is it'll probably start basing around these previous lows around this area, and you'll start to recoup all of those wins and push right back up to new highs above this. Pretty typical to see that kind of price action on aggressive opens like this. So what we'll do is, now that we've got the first two targets filled and we've locked in $200, now what we'll do is we'll come back in a little bit and just wait for either this final target to get hit or our stop to get hit at 102.73. So we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we just got that final target filled here. Let me turn on my data series so we can see the executions. Get the text and markers on there. So again, overall, we were filled short 4 contracts here at 102.72. In this case, we actually got a little bit of a better fill, 102.73. But either way, we took 2 off at +5, 1 off at +10, and another one off at +20 for a total of $400 on a really, really solid reversal on this price action here. Just a little bit of profit taking from that move higher. Again, what I'll be looking for later in the day is for this to start picking up, maybe see a double bottom, triple bottom, some bottoming pattern down here, and then price to reverse right back to the highs again. But we'll come to that bridge. We need to cross it. For now, that's the breakout trade for this morning. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. We'll be sure to get back to you as soon as we can. Have a good one.